Pete, a significant development. We just heard the decision there from Tom Goldstein being read to us. First of all, give me your initial take on this, particularly the basis for the decision by the Chief Justice John Roberts here.
Well, Louisiana had a really tough road here because the odds were against Louisiana's winning for the simple reason that 2 years ago, the Supreme Court, looking at virtually the identical thing, said you can't do that. Now, the big change, of course, between 2 years ago and now is that Anthony Kennedy, who is generally one of the court's supporters of a woman's right to choose, has left the Supreme Court, replaced by Brett Kavanaugh, and Brett Kavanaugh today voted basically against this. He was one of the dissenters today. So the Chief Justice, what he says is, I didn't think this was right when we decided it 2 years ago, but that is what we decided. And under this long-standing view of the Supreme Court that once you decide a case, you don't simply switch and go the other way, what lawyers call stare decisis, meaning the law should stay the way it is, he agrees to join the majority today. So it would have been, there were really sort of two critical things about this case. Number one is, how receptive was the Supreme Court going to be to new restrictions on abortion, given that the next line of cases that are on their way here are cases in which states have passed very strict laws intending to basically outlaw abortion? How open would the Supreme Court be to that? So that's one signal the court has sent today. The second thing, and what was sort of lurking in the background here, was an argument by Louisiana that sort of came in at the last minute saying, you know what, the people who challenged this law, 2 doctors and a clinic, did not have the legal standing to bring the challenge because abortion, it's a woman's right to choose, not the clinic or the doctor's right. So only pregnant women could bring the lawsuit. Now, if the Supreme Court had said that, it would make it extremely hard to challenge abortion restrictions. Most successful challenges to abortion restrictions in the past have been brought by clinics or doctors or Planned Parenthood or some group like that. So this is sort of a double victory, if you will, for advocates of abortion rights, because on the one hand, the Supreme Court strikes down the Louisiana law, which was really never went into force completely. And secondly, with the Chief Justice joining the majority today, they say that these groups, these clinics, these doctors, these abortion rights advocates can challenge abortion laws. So it's a double victory.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.